loads here. I ripped this open. It was actually flapping and stuff. Yeah. I had to put a bunch of spray foam in there.
Okay.
But apparently it shoots that way.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound Sky High.
I got a 90 C-Max under there.
Okay.
Dayton DSP back there. And then the SFB is only hooked to my
Got it.
Grand Axle 280.
All right. Wow.
I usually just demo it before though. I'm not real stupid and loud, so
It's loud to me.
I
It's pretty crazy.
I want to be musical.
Yes,
so.
sir. How many miles you got on this car now?
391,700.
Okay. Man.
I bought it brand new with 26 miles on it.
Really? Wow, you're running it. All right.
I'm Daryl Nova. I'm just an old guy playing around in a car that I took too far. So
Okay.
I like the shows.
Yes, sir. So what are these subs?
Brazilian Sound Platinums, 215s.
Okay.
I love them. They're so musical.
Yes, sir.
And they just fit so well on my trunk. So
Yeah, they did good to be able to fit 15s. Yeah.
yeah, and stuff. I got an 8-inch aerial port that blows off the driver's side.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
And
Okay.
then my back deck is cut out to kind of release the music and sound.
Okay. Is
And
there a way I can
stuff.
see the port? I didn't see it before. Okay.
Might be able. I'm coming to get you. I forgot.
Oh, you're good.
I always space it.
You're good. I'm always used to going over the window.
The port is here, so it's probably real hard to see.
Yeah, that's good.
8-inch aerial port.
I see it. Okay.
And
Nice.
stuff, and then my back deck is cut out to let the
That's
sound.
where it was letting it breathe.
Yeah, it was unloading.
Kissed out just today. I'm living how I wanna live. Just tell them kiss my ass. Shit, they look a little sad. No, I ain't tryna brag. But I'ma run it up like a drunk man stand with a smirk up on my face. Sunshine in my pocket, guys. Wet out the lace. Yeah, snakeskin's what I'm rocking. Got that Glock up on my waist. Who you better watch it, man. I'm bouncing like a rooster, yeah. Be the little cocky, yeah. I think that
Nice.
I'm the breed, 'cause I be the little cocky. See me walking with a limp, 'cause I be the little cocky. I like talking a lot of shit, but my hands are like a
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound Sky High.
I'm rocking, got that Glock up on my waist. Oh, you better watch it, man. I'm bouncing like a rooster, yeah. I feel a little cocky, yeah. I think that I'm a freak, cause I feel a little cocky. See me walking with a limp, cause I feel a little cocky. I might talk a lot of shit, put my hands up like a monkey. I'm bouncing like a rooster, yeah. I feel a little cocky. First one in, last one out. Hustle real hard, but there's no doubt. When you talk about me, better watch your mouth. And I count from the bottom, yeah, I'm talking about the South. Don't test me, don't do it. Got one count when I shoot it. I place it, I prove it. Got mud all my smirk up on my face. Sunshine in my pocket, got the twin out the lace. Snakes can't burn up.
Pussy finger licking good like I mixed it with Olay. Nigga acting like a player when you really just a coach. With some hoes in his house and they going through your face. Hands on your knees, bitch, bust it back, ayy. Through the tights, you can see the pussy fat, ayy. Through the pockets, I can see a nigga back, ayy. I'm a
That's good musical response too.
That's what it's mainly built for, is
Yeah.
music.
When I put this up, it got a lot louder. Just the way the load is at the window. Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. I appreciate the demo.
I usually just demo with both doors open.
You can hear the doors and everything.
Yeah, and stuff. I'm not real stupid and loud, so I
It's loud to
just
me.
play it
It's
when
pretty
I
crazy.
want to be musical.
Yes,
so.
sir.